In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set payment reminders on Google Calendar. Setting up reminders for important payments can help you avoid late fees and keep your finances in check. Let's dive into the process to ensure you never miss a due date again. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Calendar, which you can do by visiting calendar.google.com. Once you're there, look toward the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the plus Create button. Click on this to start setting up your payment reminder. Alternatively, you can simply click directly on the specific date the payment is due within the calendar view itself, which is a bit of a shortcut if you've got a specific date in mind. Once you initiate the creation of a new event, a pop-up will appear. In this window, you'll need to give your reminder a title. I suggest labeling it something that describes the payment clearly. For instance, you could write Pay Credit Card Bill or Rent Due. Giving it a precise name will ensure you know exactly what your reminder is regarding when it pops up. Next, you'll set the date and time. It's important to specify exactly when the payment is due, not just for peace of mind, but also for accurate tracking of your financial obligations. If this is a one-time payment, you don't need to worry about repeating the reminder. However, if you anticipate this payment to be a recurring one, such as a monthly bill, you'll want to select the custom option under Repeat. This allows you to set up the frequency of your reminders to either monthly, yearly, or whatever suits your payment cycle. Once your event details are set, it's time to focus on setting notifications. Scroll down to where it says Notifications and click on Add Notification. You can choose how far in advance you want your reminder. For example, you might want to nudge one day before the payment is due, or perhaps even an hour before. What's great is that you don't have to choose just one. You can stack notifications. So, if you're the type who appreciates some extra reminders, you can set one for 2 days before and another for the same day, giving you ample opportunity to prepare. Finally, don't forget to hit the Save button. This step confirms all your efforts, sealing your setup so the calendar can do its job, send you those essential nudges. And there you have it. By setting up payment reminders on your Google Calendar, you're taking a proactive step in managing your finances effectively. Remember, consistency is key, so consider setting reminders for all recurring payments to simplify your financial routine. Happy organizing, and here's to timely payments and zero late